I don't know who wants to hear this, but nza kukhuluma even kubuhlungu. Ama-Zimbabweans, we are useless. Ama-Zimbabweans, we are cowards. Singamagwala. Sonke singamagwala. Sibhizi ku-social media. Tepe silisana labanye abantu, silisana lama-South African. Kathesi there's this thing here, match and match. You are quiet. Simbalwa abantu who are there trying to ukuthi izinto zibe right, simbalwa siqeda lapho futhi sithethiswa ngamaZimbabwe qhali zamanje nabafana lebancane kangaka what are you trying to do yini lento enizamayo nizafa lebancane lezamanje kusho omunye umZimbabwe nolambileyo futhi ongela lutho olala ngendlala olala ngamagwadla uyozokhuluma idoda enje. Ama-Zimbabweans is useless ngama-cowards. Cowards, mina I've never seen in a country elabantu aba-useless njengeZimbabwe. Kathesi khona apha kuthiwe akuthethiswa ama-South African ligijima phambili ku-social media lifake inkalakatha zamakhaleni liyathethisa abantu be-South Africa lifuna ukulawula e-South Africa ukuthi e-South Africa kuphilwe njani. Kathesi yiye nathi ithuba asilungiseni okuqondane lelizwe lethu. Ama-Zimbabweans are nowhere to be found. Ama-Zimbabweans are nowhere to be found. Bacatshile bathuliswe ibo bugwala kona lokho sikhuluma ngapha. Thina sibhizi khona lapha. We are getting ama-threats left and right hand side konke ziyakhala. Simile entweni yokuthi asilwi namuntu asithethise umuntu. What we want is to express indlela esizizwa ngayo concerning ilizwe lethu. Okuyiyouth kathesi kubulawa injengu le ekhaya leli bhizi lapha lethu ama-South African adla ama-drugs lina liwelawa injengu le kathesi kulibula injengu lapha ekhaya nathi injengu 24/7 kulokuthi silweni ukuthi injengu le iphume elizweni iphele nya injengu. Libhizi ama-South African ibadla ama-drugs badla inyawuphi thina sibulawa injengu kathesi sifuna ukukhipha injengu yena le lithulile lini. Ngenza ivideo that engikhuluma ngokwasiphatheleni bona ngamaZimbabwe okuningi lapha kukhuluma inyongo nje khuluma izishwala ngaze ngizonde so mina. Yesishona ama-Zimbabweans three matters zebani. Zimbabweans three matters zebani. We are just cowards. Siqaphela ukukhuluma ngabe kuthiwa kathesi into le kuthiwa South Africa sekutheni ngabe kathesi libhizi ku-social media here ama-South African this ama-South African nanko kuqondane la nje okwekhaya lethu okwelizwe lethu lithulizwe. We are nowhere to be found. Lithi abantwana laba abafana laba bazamanje. I've never seen a country useless njengeZimbabwe. I'm from Zimbabwe. A country useless. Asithethise umuntu akuthiwa ngathesi sibhizi kule ndaba kaMbetsi khona apha kuyazanyazanya ukuthi kuthiwe kwenzeni umuntu omi phambili khona ngathi ezama ukuthi lithi ubevele zamani inkulumo eziphubuya kuma-Zimbabwe lezana lezo. Ubona ukuthi lokho kopdona isebenza. Bhizi gijimele South Africa gijimele ama-diaspora khona le ikole uqapheleyo kodwa mase kuthiwa nansi issue right lapha silungiseni la yabaleka. Kathesi lithi thina liza kufa labafana labancane senzeni okubi ikuphi kule igama esilikhulumileyo libi sifela iqiniso abomkhali ngehlule bomkhali zishiti zabantu dot rubbish Stimbogo straight wehle kusukuma kuthiwe nanku kathesi nanku kathesi silungiseni ilizwe asukumeni sithi lokhu no sithi lokhu silungise ilizwe hayi liyabaleka lidla phansi okanogatshe bona izinja. I give up ama-Zimbabwe. I give up. My fellow South Africans bomakhelwane bethu khona ngapho simbalwa bakithi abantu abalisa indaba ka-31 simbalwa. Sesingawina singawinanga ngoba sibalutshwana abantu esiphambili wesilokhu sibalutshwana the rest vele basivalela ushut up bazithulele. Ama-Zimbabwe nathulije athuli akula nje le one vele okhuluma ngakho bazithulele nje. Cowards.
Hello, how are you, my fellow Zimbabweans? How are you? If you want to know how useless Zimbabweans are, come I'll tell you. Imatha dzevanu my Zimbabweans. Last month, the government was taking their rights from them. We went all over all social media platforms. They never came in their numbers. They never came in their numbers to speak out against their government. Guess what? I posted a post that does not relate to me. I have nothing to do with people killing each other. It's their own failed relationship. That's why people end up killing each other or whatever reasons behind that. But guess what? The stupid Zimbabweans came in their numbers. They came in their numbers. They even insulting me for people that I don't know. But when I come and say, let's go and face Mnangagwa so that we can remove the regime that is making us suffer, they never come. Useless. Useless people. If you want to know a nation with useless people, they will unite when they are talking things about relationships. Umjolo, that's where they gather. If you want to gather Zimbabweans, come up with a story with Mjolos. They will come in their numbers. Everyone right now in Zimbabwe is talking about a couple who was entangled in whatever entanglement they were in. 3 bodies were found dead. Everyone is talking about it. When we were saying no to Camp 3, none of you idiots came on my platform. Get away. Do you think I care? Do you think I give a shit about people killing themselves? I don't give a shit. I want to change my Zimbabwe. We, as Zimbabweans, we need to come together and change, remove Emmerson Mnangagwa, not the nonsense that you come and you tell me here. Do you think I'm going to wake them up? Do you think I'm a Jesus who's going to wake the dead to rise again? I don't have those powers. If people are dead, they are dead. If that guy killed his wife and children, he's going to pay for it. He's going to face the law. I'm not the law. So why are you putting your emotions on my page?
Kodwa mina my fellow Zimbabweans lisuke lingimangaze sometimes. Lisuke lichaza ukuthi imali ethi Zimbabwe is not a banana country. Zimbabwe is a banana country, guys. Asukani yekelana ukukhohlisana. Ilizwe linjani ongela development. Mina ngikhulile sengize ngingaka kubulawayo ngikhule kunjiya. Lamanje lokho kunjiya. In fact ku worse, no development, you know what? And then linalithi, yeah, it's not a banana country. That's a banana country. Ubasa ngomlilo etawuni ugesi ubuya ka1 nakhona uzochaja amafoni. Amanzi angikhuluma maye buya so ngathi iphathi sokumele likhongozele lithinti ligcwalisa isigubhu but uthuse town. And then you call that, hey, it's not a banana country. It is a banana country. Ilizo kungela medication khona. Kumele ukuthi mawugula uhambe nento medication yakho just ukuthi uyelashwa. So kumele uthwala ama gloves akho in yakho. No guys, let's be real guys. Literally na amaphoyisa lizolusuthu sazivele kufanele basithaya ngithi basuke benenkinga zabo lezi abahlule ukuthi bazi address ku government base bezikhiphele ebantwini. Ungahola 380 when we civil servant, $380, which is equivalent to 5,800 rands if I'm not mistaken. And then you call that a country. Enagegela ama civil servants $380. Ah guys, let's be realistic for once. Zimbabwe is a banana country no matter what. It's 100% banana country. Ungahamba manje ubona imigwaqo njani uphuma kubulawayo City Bridge anyakutshela mangobongobo. And yet you are here saying, no, Zimbabwe is not a banana country.
Yeah. South Africa is a banana republic. In Zimbabwe, kunomthetho. Umthetho wakhona nisho ukuthini? Ukubhacabulwa ngemvubu umthetho lo. Ukwaphucwa ama-rights wenu ukuthi ni-proteste. Ni-raise ama-concern wenu ngetinto lenikho happy ngato eZimbabwe. Ukuboshwa for standing up for your rights. Umthetho loyo. If South Africa is a banana republic, and eZimbabwe kunomthetho, yini enenza ningabe happy kulowo mthetho? Yini enenza nibaleke eZimbabwe nize eSouth Africa ku banana republic? Anisekho happy manje ngalomthetho wenu. Na ingane yabuza, na usisi uyabuza. If you're saying Zimbabwe is not a banana republic, benichazani ngaleso statement uma nithi iZimbabwe akusiyona i-banana republic. Cause yonke into imabheketwana. Nikhuluma amandla eSouth Africa but mane ya back home eZimbabwe imisila yeni baba ngaphansi kwemleze njengezinja. Young kids, the youth of Zimbabwe and women need your voices now to remove the dictator that is Mnangagwa, to remove the corrupt leadership and the government. Banana republic or not, at least South Africans are standing up for their own rights. They won't allow dictatorship. Now, who is the banana republic between South Africa and Zimbabwe? Please come to the comment section and tell me what you think about these videos. Danko.